So, literally just leaving the station. What am I doing at the station? Well, whose silly idea was it to cause a regional meeting in Manchester on the hottest day of the year? Because of course, transport infrastructure in England, when it's cold, when there's a run leaves, when it's a little bit hot, all goes to pot. So I had a train that was 3:30. It's now 7:15. And just arrived in Wolverhampton. Had meetings to go to, which I'm going to have to postpone. Yeah, I've got a nice summery flowery shirt. But hopefully I'll get changed into my top in a bit. Just try and capture a little bit of the atmosphere for you tonight. It's not going to be a full-on everything vlog. Wolves' first European game, 39 years against Crusaders. I'm going to go with my pre-match prediction, 4-1 to Wolves. Morgan gives white. We're back to you in a bit. I made it to the game. There he is, Sean Connery, looking very studious with his glasses. Here's Dad. Literally, I've had one of them tried the new food, it was alright. Chicken burger is what I had. And the review of the first half, basically, Crusaders, they've literally parked the bus. They've had about 9 behind their bus. Their game plan's going pretty well, to be fair. They defended well, their organisational shape's been good. Wolves have pretty much been camped in their half all game. I think they've had one shot, God knows how many we've had. We've had a few close shots. We finally got the breakthrough on 37 minutes. Jota, great finish. Traore's probably been our best outlet. He looks, every time he gets the ball, he looks dangerous. And he laid it on for a great finish from Jota. Jota had another chance just after that. The keeper did well to save it. Just get the feeling that they're going to wear out, the spaces will open up. I'm still going to go with my 4-1, although I'm not sure that, they're going to get forward very much. They're going to try and keep the score down. But yeah, the Crusaders fan, you've been very proud of your team. They've played really well with a lot of heart, a lot of organisation, and it's half time, it's Wolves 1, Crusaders 0. First off, if you're a Crusaders fan, well played to your team. You battled really hard, really disciplined in defence. And you can be really proud of you boys. Wolves got a second really late on, but you kept us out. Wolves, well, basically the same old problems really. Team that sits back, trying to break them down. We've got a goal with virtually the last kick of the game. I think the keeper's fumbled it. Ruben Vinagre scored. And we've won the game 2-0. We really needed it 2-0 because it ain't going to be easy over in Northern Ireland. And you know, I mean, it's been attack against defence. Wolves have literally sat in their half all the way through the game. Let's just hear the flag. So yeah, well done Crusaders, and the Wolves fans and the Crusaders fans. They played well, didn't they, Crusaders?
Crusaders, take your hats off, boys.
They did play well. They battled really hard.
One more day!
And in the end, it ended up 2-0. And Wolves needed that second goal, as I was saying. My man of the match, I'm going to give it to Adama Traore. I thought he was, you know, our best outlet. And yeah, leave your thoughts on your man of the match and how you're feeling about the game. Glad we got the second. And yeah, a bit frustrated, but we did get the second. I think it was the keeper there, and the keeper was a great chap actually. He had a bit of banter with the crowd, and it's ended up Wolves 2, Crusaders 0, and it's a good lead to take into the second leg, and you know, hopefully we can progress from there.